celebrated its 71st District Council Day with a function at the council premises here on Tuesday. It may be recalled that the then united Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council was inaugurated by the then Governor of Assam, Jairam Das Daulat Ram at Dinam Hall, Jayau, on the 27th of June 1952. The District Council was constituted under the Sikh schedule, which gave its autonomous administration. After Meghalaya became a separate state in the year 1972, the council was reorganized into the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Speaking at the function, KHADC CEM Pinyat Singh CEM lauded late Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy, referred to as the father of the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution. He said that it was the efforts of late Reverend Nichols Roy which led to the birth of the District Council.
Lakhai ka 6th schedule, Lakhai ka District Council, hapo jong ka article aspa sa saw ar. But lingba kanika jingdon jong ka 6th schedule, hapo kanika article jong ka constitution, jong ka India, la aibor shu yangi ba yin thao kiniki an kikendon ban bu renti namta ka jingbet jingbiang hakita kiriti dustur ibangidon ipai abedu jingruspa jong kiriti dustur khasi ga jungi nadu ka sanshar tenrai ka bangidon